Hi everyone, welcome to Coffee and Crafting. If you're new to my channel, my name is Lori and welcome. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I am so excited to share how I made 3 new fall decor DIYs using the new released IOD Hello Pumpkin mold. So if you like DIY home projects, thrift makeovers, and easy to make home decor all on the budget, then I hope you will consider to subscribe to my channel and join my DIY family. So grab a coffee or your favorite drink and let's start. For this DIY, I have a plain wood sign from the Dollar Tree. I stained the wood sign with the Early American stain from Minwax. I'm really excited to make a pumpkin from the new released Hello Pumpkin mold from IOD. These definitely are the sweetest pumpkins ever. I brushed some cornstarch into the mold, and this makes it easier to remove the clay from the mold. I pressed the IOD air dry clay into the small pumpkin mold, and I used my finger to remove any excess clay rubbing along the edges. I also made a leaf from the leaf mold. I made 3 pumpkins and 3 sets of leaves. I painted the pumpkin with the Spice Pumpkin from Americana Deco Art that I got at Michael's. I painted the stem with the truffle chalk paint from Waverly and the leaves with the moss chalk paint from Waverly. I glued the 3 pumpkins on the wood sign using wood glue.
What you're putting in, all your hopes and efforts are all in vain. Who will pick you up when you've lost everything?
I placed the leaves on the pumpkin and glued them in place.
With a wedding
I brushed DIY dark wax over the pumpkins to give them an antique rustic look. And I brushed the dark wax along the edge and on top of the wood sign to blend it together.
I was just a little girl when my mama used to say, ooh, happiness requires work every day.
And to finish this DIY, I painted a Hello Fall wood sign from the Dollar Tree with the Spice Pumpkin paint. I glued the Hello Fall sign to the top of the wood sign, and I brushed dark wax on it, rubbing off the excess. I really love how this Hello Fall sign turned out. I love the pumpkins and the rustic farmhouse look of them. I wasn't sure at the beginning with painting the pumpkins, but I'm really happy I did. And the dark wax also helped with any missed spots. Let me know in the comments what you think of this one. For this DIY, I have another plain wood sign from the Dollar Tree. I painted the sign with the white linen chalk paint from Rustic.
I said, tell me your story.
I made a pumpkin from the IOD Hello Pumpkin mold, and I'll leave a link in the description where you can purchase the molds, wax, and transfers that I'm using in this video today, and other IOD items from the new release. So if you go to redefinedforyou.com and use my discount code LAURIE10, LAURIE10, you will receive a 10% discount off of your order. So definitely check out their website. They have been really wonderful to work with, and they provide really excellent service. And let them know Lori sent you.
Grow up, you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or
I painted the pumpkin with the white linen chalk paint from Rustic.
for the answers, and you'll find what you've got.
I have the IOD Painterly Florals transfer pad. I picked out some fall flowers for the wood sign. Before adding the transfers, I glued the pumpkin on the bottom of the sign. I used the stick that came with the transfers to rub them onto the wood. This is really easy and simple to do. The only thing, you want to make sure your paint is fully dried, or they may not adhere to the paint correctly. And I've done that, being impatient and wanting to get a project done, and ruined a beautiful transfer. So take my advice, wait until your paint is fully dried, and your transfer should go on very smoothly.
Time is up, it's time to go. I pray he reads what's on the note and takes to heart what I wrote. I said, son, when you grow up, you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers, and you'll find what you've got. When you grow up, you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride out all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave.
I brushed on the DIY wax on the pumpkin and the wood sign to give it an antique rustic look.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me.
I rubbed off any of the excess wax and I rubbed on gold metallic paint using my finger to highlight the pumpkin. And wow, did that ever make a difference on that pumpkin.
What we do is what we do.
I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.
You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else.
And to finish this DIY, I brushed the DIY dark wax on a welcome fall wood sign from the Dollar Tree and rubbed off the excess. I glued it on top of the sign.
Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of tight and you. I got you.
This welcome fall sign turned out beautiful. I love the flower transfers and the pumpkin. It's so adorable. I'm really happy I added the gold to the pumpkins because it really made it stand out beautifully. Let me know in the comments what you think of this one. For this DIY, I have a piece of scrap wood that I stained with the early American wood stain from Minwax. I made a small pumpkin mold. I painted the pumpkin with white linen chalk paint from Rust-Oleum and glued it on the scrap wood using wood glue.
I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just want to make you smile.
I brushed the DIY dark wax on the wood and pumpkin, wiping off the excess.
Before the sun goes down, it's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling.
I highlighted the pumpkin with the gold metallic paint.
Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean.
And to finish this simple, easy DIY, I glued a twine bow on the stem. This DIY was so easy to make, and the pumpkin could be painted any color to match any decor. I absolutely love this simple rustic farmhouse look of this pumpkin and scrap wood together. I hope I inspired you today with some new ideas using the new IOD Hello Pumpkin mold. Have fun creating those different pumpkin decor for your home for fall this year. I want to say a huge thank you to everyone that stopped by today, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. So until then, have a beautiful day, and bye for now.